Hi guys, and welcome back to another Dafty in the Garden video with me, Sean. This week we are going to see if my onion plants or onion flowers have seed in them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you down, you can have a look at them, tell me in the comments. Now, I've never grown onions to seed, I've never actually grown onions before, so I'm a total beginner here. So if you have any tips, leave them in the comments and I'll reply. Might try it out next year because they are annual plants. So what I've learned so far is I know that the seeds need to be black, so they're harvested, and they need to be dried out. So, and I can feel these are pretty dry. However, I've heard that you need to cut them off at the heads. So come down and have a look. So here's my onions. You can see them all. Been in the greenhouse for a while and they are quite dry. I don't know if you can see some of them. I don't know what this is at the bottom here. I've been trying to look them up to see what that is. I don't know if you can see that there. What I'll do is I'll bring the camera closer and you should have a wee nosy. Don't know if that's clear enough. These things down here. But what I'll do is I will cut them up and follow the guide online to see basically if I get some onion seeds for next year's harvest. So here we go. So that's the tops cut off. Let's see what about the onions, see what's there. So, a handful of onions here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and see how they taste. Hi guys, you're in my kitchen now, and I've just opened up one of those onion bulbs, and I've had a wee slice of one already. It is really fresh, it's really nice, to be honest. Now, a lot of people can't eat onions like an apple, but I can. That's nice. So onions are pretty still good, and that was grown by a half an onion. You'll probably see a wee clip of that. If you can see, you could probably still see the half of the onion at the bottom there, and that was half an onion. So, can you eat an onion that's went to flower? Well, the answer would be astonishing yes. They actually taste pretty well. Yeah, they go to flower, but they still taste good. The onion still tastes pretty good. So it's a big yes for me. Now, these here, I'm a bit skeptical about because I don't have a clue what I'm doing here. It's meant to be dried out. There's meant to be black seeds in the flowers somewhere. I just don't know about these, to be honest. I do want to grow a lot more onions next year, and I've got a plan for that as well, like a full section. So if these don't go to seed, then I'll just buy a packet of seeds, to be honest. But I want to start growing my own seeds from onions so I can start growing them manually, and I'm kind of excited about this. But if you've got any comments, any kind of tips at all for me about these at all to try and get the seeds out, please let me know in the comments. That's kind of the video, guys. I'll do another video with an update on how that goes. Maybe another wee short video or something. But that is the week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If you did, smash the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber, if you're new here. If you are a subscriber and you want to be kept up to date with things as soon as they get released, hit the bell icon. You know what I mean? It's there. And select all. But that's another Dafty in the Garden video with me, Sean. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Bye. That's the onion getting to me now. Oh, hi. It's good stuff. Good stuff. Oh, why?